Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today I am going to be doing a super fun and easy hairdryer pour technique using my favorite colors, which are blues. So to start off with, I'm going to raise my canvas up on Painter's Pyramids. You can use push pins or anything else if you want. We don't really need to tilt this, so I like to just start off with it raised and leave it raised. And I am going to not put a base coat on this. I'm going to just go right in with my colors, but feel free to start off with a base coat. Sometimes that can make it a little bit easier. So all of the paints that I'm using are Mixed Media Girl pouring paints. And I'm starting off with white. I want this to be a nice, really bright picture, and that white will help to blend with the blues and just make it beautiful and give beautiful contrast. Next, I am going in here with a variety of blues, starting out with primary blue. I'm kind of doing thick stripes. Try not to do stripes that are too thin on this. I will just end up much more blended. Having nice fat stripes here will keep the colors pretty separated. Then I put some turquoise in here, which in Mixed Media Girl land we call turquoise, for anyone who is wondering. And then I wanted to make sure I had some contrasting colors. So I got in here with some of the darker blues. This is a sapphire blue, which is a deep metallic blue, and that will give it not only some sparkle, but also help to create some cells as soon as I get in here with the hairdryer. And I don't know if you noticed, but I'm going a little bit darker on one side and a little more white on the other side because I like to have some contrast in there. So this color is Deep Sea, which is like a deep navy blue color. Very, very gorgeous. One of my favorites. So then I'm using a Remington hairdryer. This is my favorite. It costs about $20 on Amazon, and it does have the attachment on there. I call it platypus attachment. And I use mine on cold air so it does not start to dry out the paint. That's one of the things I love about this hairdryer is it has a cold setting with zero heat. And I like to start from the middle and just blow out towards the sides. You can really do this as much as you want, but keep in mind the more you blow over it with the hairdryer, the more blended the colors will become. So try not to go over the same spots too many times unless you really, really want to blend your colors. That's totally up to you. No right or wrong way to do this. And this is just such a fun and simple technique. So if you're a beginning acrylic pourer, this is a really, really great technique. It even works with like 100 colors and it still comes out beautiful. The last kind of monochromatic one I did with this technique was purples, and I really wanted to try blues. So that's what we did today. So of course, touch up your sides and your corners once you are all done. And voila, beautiful, simple, quick and easy abstract art. And I love it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all next time.